This city hits all five senses the second you arrive. Come with me to Abu Dhabi, Nepal, and India. The most incredible customs and unforgettable sights, and absolutely the most amazing people. From the joys to the lows. Let's do this. Hi, I'm Trish, and I love crossing trips off my bucket list and helping others plan their dream vacations and destination weddings. So come along as I explore new places and help others do the same. Let's see where this path takes us. After about 3 hours of sleep the night before at the Abu Dhabi airport, we took off bright and early, actually dark and early, and headed to Kathmandu. On the flight, we could pick some yummies to eat. I pre-ordered some food that was pretty good. Trying to make friends with the neighbors, and but yeah, a little early for rice and chicken in my opinion. One person in our group was trying to make friends with the guy between us and was having some communication issues. Watching the sunrise from the air is one of the most beautiful things ever. As we landed in Kathmandu, I was so excited. This is my first time in Asia, so this is kind of a bucket list trip for me. Because one of my bucket list goals is to hit all 7 continents before I'm 60, so I got a few more years, but this is a good start.
Alright, visa on arrival to the right. You walk in there, come in here, and do this. And then you go to the payment counter down there.
And I recommend at the Money Exchange to get a lot more than you think you're going to need, because there's a lot of fun shopping. And making our way through the airport to find our transfers. The transfers were provided by the hotel, so that was
awesome. Go into our transfer. They got it.
Checking into the Yak Yeti was a super easy process, highly recommended. And we even got some welcome drinks that were so yummy. We're at the Yak Yeti. This is the club suite room. We're so excited. This is a great spot. All right, so this is a club suite room, king size at Yak Yeti in Nepal, Kathmandu. So excited to be here. All right, so let's look around. I've just gotten here and dropped everything off. So bathroom, hair dryer, looks comfy. Oh, I like the rain shower and a handheld. Good. All right, let's play with the lights. A lot of the hotels I've been to have had those lately. Those are new. All right, so we have a nice robe. Let's see how soft it is. Very soft. Extra spots there. Some drawers for your clothes. Wow, that's nice. That's a good safe. And extra things hidden. I always unpack if I'm here for more than a day. Then we've got a nice big TV. We have a fridge, if anything's in it. It's empty. Have to fix that. And then more drawers. Great, lots of storage. Lots and lots of storage. But, okay, here is the bed. We can close this off. So we can close the bathroom off. Look at that beautiful art. Loving it. All right, then a nice bed with 2 bedsides. We've got the different ports. Remember when you're traveling to find out what type of outlet they need. I believe I've got the right one. If not, they've got direct USBs. Look at this beautiful sitting area and the fresh flowers. These are fresh because you should know, because I already knocked them over once. So in the 5 minutes I was here. Nice sitting area. More storage. More storage. Look at the details in the lamps. Those are neat. And then let's check out this light. This light. Go down into the sitting area. But this is what got me. All right, I'm gonna turn around. Y'all are gonna turn around too, and let's go and check out this view. I wonder if the door's open. Oh, they do. I think they do, y'all. Oh, yes. Let me open it. Pushes out. And then, look at this, guys. This is the Yak Yeti. This is their garden. Beautiful pool area over there. And then we've got the city. The gardens are stunning. You can't see all of the gardens from here, but it's beautiful. So pretty. Beautiful, beautiful room. So just to recap, today we just arrived into Kathmandu. I've been singing a song and they've been laughing at me, but yes, I'm singing the Bog Seeker song. And we had a pretty good flight. We flew Arabia Air, I think that's what it was, and had some issues with the visa thing just because we didn't know the procedures and messed up. So got some directions earlier. You saw how we did the visa and how to make sure you've got that set up. The hotel provides transfers to and from the hotel when you get the club level room. So that was one reason we picked this level room, because it actually saved us money in the long run. Definitely a perk. I want to say it was like less $150 a night, if not a little less. So we're going to go out running around here in a little bit and go to a market after we get settled. We've had about 5 hours sleep in the last 6 hours last 2 nights. So we'll see how we go. And then tomorrow we got to get up at 4 a.m. to go somewhere else. So stay tuned for that. All right, let's go see where we're going to go when we get to the market. But first, let's take a quick little look around the hotel. And this is the spice room where we had breakfast each morning with gorgeous views of the outside garden. The Yak Yeti used to be the Prime Minister's residence. It opened in 1977 and has also been awarded the best historical hotel in Asia. One great thing about the club level is every evening we were offered one drink and an appetizer from the bar. And we jumped into a taxi with one of the happiest taxi drivers we've ever met.
What's your name? Pandi? Pandi. Pandi.
Thank you. Thank you very much. You're a happy person and I like happy people.
Because I make $5 now. So that's what left and right. See many things.
Well, there's
If you finish money, then you meet me. I get back to you $5. So
What?
maybe I stop here.
Yeah, you
maybe
stop
100 meter. Then
Okay.
you come back like this. You go. This is the many place.
Yeah.
Somebody disturb you, and just. So if you
This
go.
looks fun.
I'm gonna have so much fun. Not one person warned us about the street and lack of sidewalk issues, but we figured it out really quickly. What y'all getting?
Is this 100?
Yep. See.
Thank you.
Yak.
Ah! I almost died. That car about got me.
And with across the street, you gotta commit and keep a pace.
Go. Okay. Thank you. Woo, we made it.
Imagine the headache the person has when they have to work on some of these wires. Now it's time for dinner at the Chimney, which is one of the restaurants inside the Yak Yeti. The food was good and the service was eh. All right, we have had a wonderful day. Going to markets and eating dinner here at the hotel. Story I'll tell you later about that. But we've been running around all day. We left our room probably around 1 o'clock. No, yeah, it was 1 o'clock. Just now got back and it is 6. Actually, it's almost 7. And all of us came back to a wonderful surprise in our room. Let me show it to you. All right, we came back to our room and found these lovely treats and some fruit. Isn't it sweet of them? I love it. The staff here is a wonderful, kind, and just precious. So, the Yak and Yeti, love it. Hey guys, Trish here. I hope y'all are enjoying this video. I have so much more footage to share with you guys. It's really been difficult to do. I'm not a professional video editor by any means, so just trying to get this information out there for you guys. If you are interested in booking this trip that you see me taking or any other bucket list trip, romance travel, honeymoons, destination weddings, all those fun things, I would love to help you guys out. Please just give me a call. Information's in the links in the bio, whatever those are. I would absolutely love to help you make all your bucket list dreams come true. Like I said in the video, I have a bucket list of trying to hit all 7 continents before I'm 60, so I have a few years to get that done, but this one knocked Asia off my bucket list, and so I was super excited to take it. And some people are asking, why did you take this trip? What was the purpose of this trip? The purpose of this trip was to travel and explore and show you guys that you don't always have to know everything about where you're going, how you're going to get there. Great travel companies like Trafalgar, which you're going to see later, they organized the trip in India, that part of the trip. And the company that helped us with all of our excursions and activities and tours and stuff while we were in Nepal and Abu Dhabi. They were amazing. So, give me a call. I'll share these tips with you guys. I will make it easy for you to take that bucket list trip without any stress and just enjoy the day. So again, Pathways Travel, let me help you. So coming up in the next video, which I'm trying to start editing now, which hopefully will come up soon, we will be diving deep into Kathmandu and seeing some amazing places, amazing people, and just learning about the community and getting back behind the scenes, not just seeing all of the highlights. So we had a really good time. Really appreciated our tour guide on this one. And you'll get to know a little bit more about the Yak Pack, as we started to call ourselves, the ladies that I was traveling with. We had never met before this trip, and so it was a great bonding experience, and we were all really good friends to this day. So travel makes friends, and friends make travel fun. So anyway, hope y'all have a good day, and let's see what the next video has. Pay attention. Watch it. Help me out. Follow. Don't forget to follow wherever that button is. I don't know. I'm just a travel agent. I don't know what I'm doing on this thing. We'll see.